Good morning, students. I am Ms. Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already explained greatest common factor, how to find the greatest common factor of monomial, and but today I am going to explain how to factorize binomial by the common method. For this, I will find out greatest common factor of the two term and take common out of the binomial. Suppose this a square minus ax, a square minus ax. So dear friend, as you see here, a square minus ax is the binomial. For this, I will find out greatest common factor of a square and ax. For this, find out greatest common factor of a square and ax. I will factorize a square. So when we factorize a square, then it will be equal to the a multiplied by a minus a multiplied by ax. So dear students, I see here a is common in both the term. So I will take a out of this binomial and divide a multiply a by a. When you divide a multiply a by a, suppose this is a multiply a, and when you divide by a, then a is cancelled. We get here a. Same process, a multiply x divided by a, we get x. A multiply x divided by a, we get x. So a bracket a minus x is the factorization of binomial a square minus ax. So I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now I will take some questions of your exercise 12a, that is question number 4 of exercise 22a. 12a. Question number 4 of exercise 12a. Question 4 of exercise 12a. Your question is 5ax minus 5a square x square. 5ax minus 5a square x square. 5a square x square. So dear friend, for factorization of this polynomial, first of all, I will find out greatest common factor of 5ax and 5a square x square. So I will write a multiply x minus 5 multiply a multiply x multiply x. So dear student, in the previous video you have already read about the greatest common factor. So here in these two terms, 5 ax minus 5a square x square, greatest common factor is 5ax because 5ax is both in the both term. 5 here is also 5 a x and x. So it is clear that 5ax is the greatest common factor of 5ax minus 5a square x square. So I will take common 5x in both the term 5ax. Now after this I will divide 5ax by 5ax. When you divide 5ax by the 5ax, we get 1 because 5ax divided by 5x, here 5x cancelled by 5x, then we get 1. Now when you divide 5 multiply x by 5x, then we get only ax because 5ax will be cancelled by 5x, then we get a multiply x, that is ax. So factorization of 5ax minus 5a square x square will be equal to the 5ax bracket 1 minus ax. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will factorize algebraic expression by the grouping or regrouping. It means when common method is not applicable in any algebraic expression, then I will find out factorization by grouping or regrouping. For this, first of all, I will make group and look greatest common factor of that group. For this, I will take another question. Question number 35 of exercise 12A. Question number 35 of exercise 12A, factorization by the grouping. Question is ax plus bx minus ay minus by plus az plus bz Dear student, as you see here, when you make grouping, then you see here that ax in group of ax and bx, ax is the greatest common factor in both terms, and here If we make group AY and BY, then we get Y is the greatest common factor of this group, and here Z is common in both terms. So I will make a group. First of all, this will be in one group, and this will be one group, and this will be in one group. So it will be equal to the AX plus BX. This is the first group, and minus AY plus BY is the second group. Now plus AZ plus BZ. So dear student, as you see here, in this group, X is greatest common factor of AX and BX. So I will take common X out of the bracket. Therefore, in bracket will be A plus B, because when you divide AX by X, we get A, and divide BX by X, we get B. So in bracket I will write A plus B minus here Y is greatest common factor of this group. So I will take Y bar out of the bracket, and in the bracket will be A plus B plus here Z is greatest common factor of this group. So I will take Z out of bracket A plus B. So dear student, as you see here, that A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. This is three terms: A plus B, AX minus Y A plus B, and Z A plus B. And here A plus B is common in these three terms. So A plus B is the greatest common factor, or we can say we take A plus B as the common in three terms. So I will take A plus B, and I will write in bracket X. Here I will write minus Y, and here I will write plus Z. So this is the factorization of AX plus BX minus AY minus BY plus AZ plus BZ, and this is the factorization of this algebraic expression by grouping method when common method is not applicable. So with the help of this question, we can do many type of question of this exercise 12th day. Next video I will explain the factorization of algebraic expression when algebraic expression is in the form of perfect square. Thank you so much.